Mario, what are we gonna do today? It's so boring.
We could play with the marble one.
A marble one? Marble one? Yes, baby Mario, you can come with us. He's not coming with us.
Yeah, he is. Don't be mean.
Ah!
A marble one. Sure, whatever. I'll go.
Yeah,
I will go too.
Bowser, I'm not letting you.
I'm going too.
Okay, whatever. Let's just go right now.
Do 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 do
Do do do do do do do do do do do do do.
The marble one.
We're gonna have a lot of work doing this. We're gonna have a lot of work. Okay, let's go build.
Okay, Luigi, you can help with me doing this. Let's see. I think this will attach right there. And
Oh, yeah. I'm not doing this. Look how much there is. Do 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 do. I'm not doing this. There's wet pieces too. There's wet pieces.
I say that I don't have any hands, so I don't know if I could do. Don't know if I could do this, but I'm picking them up with my feet so I could, to sentence. Oh, welcome to the news report that we're just doing this big marble one.
Clay got a different burst.
Stop! Don't talk about that. Wow, this is so much fun. Luigi, I mean Baby Mario, want help?
Sure! Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. What do? Where? At the exit. Close enough. An exit? Yes.
Luigi, I don't think we're making this any better. I think we're trying some more stuff.
Well, I'm a lady. I'm gonna do a marble one angel. Wow! Luigi! Wait!
You're not doing anything. You're just making it worse.
Hey Mario, look at this!
Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Let me turn this around for a little bit. Mario, I'm kind of bored. I'm gonna go back. I'm just gonna lay down. Okay, you go lay down.
Oh, me too. That was so much work. Wait a minute. To be continued for the epic fight. Because right now this is just a little short.